Today, let's journey inward to nurture the garden of your soul, a place where gratitude and growth intertwine, and every moment holds the promise of blooming into something beautiful. As you begin, reflect on this thought. Life is like a book filled with pages yet to be written. Each day offers you a fresh page, a new opportunity to plant seeds of intention, to embrace possibilities that stretch beyond what you can see. What will you write on today's page? Now, think of the people in your life who have made your soul blossom. Who are the gardeners who've nurtured your growth with their kindness, encouragement, and love? Write their names and let your heart fill with gratitude for their presence. Remember that the greatest gift you can offer others is to show them the wealth of possibilities within themselves. And it starts by seeing your own. You hold the pen. Write with love, hope, and gratitude. Plant seeds of gratitude today and watch your possibilities grow. Thank you for joining this journaling journey.